This is QuantDinger, a self-hosted quantitative trading operating system, Python strategy authoring, deterministic backtesting with commission and slippage modeling, and live order dispatch across crypto exchanges, interactive brokers equities, MetaTrader forex, and futures. 4,800 GitHub stars, Apache 2.0 on the backend. The whole stack runs in your own Docker container. Your strategies, your backtests, your API keys, your trade history. Nothing leaves your network unless you intentionally connect it to a broker. The unusual part is the AI integration. QuantDinger ships with a Model Context Protocol server, which means you can plug it directly into Cursor or Claude Code as a tool. Prompt the assistant to draft a strategy, and have it write Python that runs in the backtester immediately. Multi-user with OAuth and role-based access. And, critically for anyone evaluating a quant platform, the live trading mode is gated off by default. The system defaults to paper trading only until you explicitly turn live orders on at the server config level. QuantDinger is the full stack you need for a serious quant workflow, packaged so you can run all of it on your own server. The development side gives you two strategy authoring modes, an indicator strategy approach for data frame style logic that operates on whole historical windows, and a script strategy approach for event-driven code that reacts tick by tick. You write strategies in Python. You backtest them against historical data with proper commission and slippage modeling. So the equity curve you see in the backtester is closer to what the strategy would actually do in production. Pre-built bot templates ship with the platform. Grid trading, martingale, trend following, dollar cost averaging. As starting points you can fork. When you're ready to go live, the platform connects to crypto exchanges, IBKR for stocks, MetaTrader for forex, and futures venues, dispatching orders through the same strategy interface you used in backtesting. The whole thing is deployed via Docker Compose on infrastructure you own. The metrics here are unusually strong for a category historically dominated by closed-source platforms. 4,800 GitHub stars, 1,100 forks. Python at 99% of the code base, meaning anyone who already writes Python can audit the strategy execution code, the order routing, the backtesting math, and the risk controls. The current version is 3.1, with continuous releases shipping through the main branch. The license posture is hybrid in a thoughtful way. The backend is Apache 2.0 open source. The frontend is source available under a separate license that permits personal and non-commercial use for free, and requires a commercial license for paid deployments. That structure is genuinely defensible. It keeps the core trading engine fully open and auditable, while giving the project a sustainable funding path through commercial front-end licensing. The hosted SaaS at quantdinger.com runs the same code in paper trading mode for evaluation. The feature set covers what a serious quant operation actually needs, not just the easy parts. Python native strategy authoring with two complementary paradigms: data frame style for indicator-driven strategies, event-driven for tick-reactive ones. Deterministic backtesting that runs the same logic against historical data with realistic commission, slippage, and fill modeling. So a profitable backtest is at least a serious signal about whether the strategy would work live. Charting and equity curve visualization built into the UI. Pre-built bot templates, grid, martingale, trend following, dollar cost averaging, that you can use as scaffolding or as production starting points. Multi-exchange and multi-asset routing across crypto, equities via interactive brokers, forex via MetaTrader 5, and futures venues, all behind a single strategy interface. Multi-user accounts with OAuth and role-based access controls. Ensemble AI analysis that pulls from multiple LLM providers when you want a research-grade second opinion. And Model Context Protocol server integration, so you can drive the platform from Cursor or Claude Code as an AI-assisted strategy development workflow. Getting QuantDinger running on your own infrastructure is the standard Docker Compose path. Clone the repository, copy the example environment file, drop in your database credentials and an admin email. Bring up the stack with one command. The container handles its own database for backtests and trade history, its own background workers for strategy execution, and its own MCP server endpoint for AI integrations. The first run brings up the UI at the default port with paper trading enabled out of the box. You can develop and backtest strategies immediately without touching a single broker API key. When you decide to connect a live broker, that is a deliberate, multi-step configuration change at the server level. You drop the broker API key in the encrypted credential store, You flip the live trading flag in the config. You restart the service. The platform makes that path explicit rather than easy, which is the right product decision for software that can route real money. Compared to TradingView and QuantConnect directly, the two best-known platforms in this category, the trade-offs are clear and structural. TradingView is the easiest place to draft a strategy in PineScript and see it backtest, but the execution layer is limited. The strategy code lives on TradingView's servers, and the live trading integrations are constrained by the platform's broker partnerships. QuantConnect is the more serious cloud quant platform, with proper backtesting infrastructure and live execution, and it charges accordingly with research tier subscriptions that scale into hundreds of dollars per month and execution tier costs that grow with usage. QuantDinger asks you to run your own infrastructure. In exchange, the strategy code lives in your own repository. The backtests run on hardware you own, the broker API keys never leave your network, and the only ongoing cost is whatever you pay for the server. For a serious quant who plans to develop strategies for years, the storage and execution layer should not be a subscription. That is the entire pitch. It is worth being direct about what this software does and does not change. QuantDinger is infrastructure. It makes the engineering side of quant trading more accessible by giving you a credible backtester, a clean strategy interface, and broker integrations on hardware you control. None of that changes the underlying reality of trading. Markets are difficult. Backtests overfit. Real fills differ from simulated fills. Strategies that look profitable on 5 years of historical data routinely fail in production for reasons that are not obvious until they've cost you money. The project's documentation is unusually direct about this. The legal notice explicitly disclaims investment, tax, legal, and regulatory advice. The platform defaults to paper trading. The AI agent gateway defaults to paper-only mode. Every layer of the system is designed to slow you down on the path from a hypothetical strategy to a live one. That is the right product posture. Use the backtester to learn. Paper trade strategies that look promising for long enough to catch the obvious failures. Comply with the regulations that apply where you live and where your broker is registered. Past performance does not guarantee future results, and a clean backtest is not a strategy that works. If you want to try QuantDinger, the lowest friction path is the hosted demo at aiquantdinger.com, which runs the same code in paper trading mode, so you can draft strategies and run backtests without standing up your own server. When you're ready to self-host, the Docker Compose path takes about 15 minutes on any modern Linux box. Connect it to historical market data. Write your first strategy in either the indicator or script paradigm. Run a deterministic backtest. Iterate. If you eventually want to go live, treat that switch as a serious decision. Start with the smallest position size your broker allows, set hard risk limits, and watch the first real fills closely. The repository is linked in the description. If you run this software, treat trading risk seriously, and treat the regulations in your jurisdiction even more seriously. Subscribe to AwesomeFOSS for more open-source tools that actually replace the proprietary defaults. And for the financial infrastructure ones, we cover them with the trust but verify framing they deserve.